Track 66.
I found out that the ancient Romans loved playing games in their leisure time. They played ball games, and they enjoyed flying kites on windy days too. Boys liked to play war games, and girls played with dolls made of material or clay. Both boys and girls loved to play a game called Tali. Nowadays, it's called Knucklebones. In Tali, players roll 4 four-sided dice, with the sides marked 1, 3, 4, and 6. Most of the scoring was based on numerical value. The pieces were usually made from animal bones, but were also made of silver, gold, marble, glass, and wood. The 4 tali were dropped from a height onto a table or the floor, and the score was calculated from the numbers on the sides facing up.